What is up, everybody? So we are here. You don't know where here is yet, so we're gonna let you guys know here in a little bit. But today was moving day and we got the rig all set up. We did get some footage as it was coming into the park here, so check it out.
No, is it? That's 79. Nope, 79.
I hope you guys like that. It was kind of cool coming in. We had some good music going on. It was a lifestyle change for us. That's what we're going for. This is a huge lifestyle change. We're looking forward to what we're going to be doing in this rig, and that's this one right here, our Monaco right back here. We have been working hard at remodeling it. We are not done with that, but that is not going to stop us from starting what we want to actually do. We're super excited to get out there and to start exploring and doing stuff as a family outside of the sticks and bricks and changing our lifestyle to the RV lifestyle. Got some food going on tonight. We actually just recently got this Pit Boss and we have seen sausages. Check it out. Oh yeah, they look good. It's really cool because we're actually in the middle of cooking, and gentleman over here, this rig here, I'll leave a link down below. He's a YouTuber too, and it was awesome talking to somebody. He's been living in the rig for about a year. They do travel content as far as living in the rig, cruises, all sorts of different things. I think it's really cool how people embrace this lifestyle, and I'm really looking forward to what all the other opportunities and people we are going to meet as we continue down this road. So we are going to finish this up. We're going to get some dinner, and then later on we are going to do a walk around with some of the rig stuff. We're going to slow it down a little bit. That's the whole purpose of what we're doing here. I know the last few videos seem like they've just been rushed. We haven't really showed you the how-to stuff. There is a whole bunch of how-to stuff out there. I'm not really going to bore you guys with that kind of stuff. I will help you guys out and give you guys information, make videos if you guys are looking for how we did certain things like the TV lift and all that kind of stuff. We can put some content out there as far as how we did it, different things we did, talk a little bit about that. But we want interaction from you guys. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys are in this lifestyle, what do you guys think? How long have you guys been doing this? And we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna get some food real quick, have a drink, and kind of just unwind and relax for the night. See you guys in a little bit.